So in this example, we're comparing movie streaming companies, Company A and Company B. So Company A charges $24 each month and then $2 per movie. And then Company B charges $10 per movie. And we want to know when the companies will be the same. So part A asks us to write an equation to describe the situation. So on this side I'm going to put Company A, and on this side I'm going to put Company B. Let me start by picking my variable, which is going to be the number of movies, because that's what's going to change the total cost at each company. We're looking at 1 month. So for Company A, it would be 24 plus 2x. And for Company B, it would just be 10x, because it's $10 per movie. So I would take the number of movies and multiply it by 10. So this is my equation. Now I'm going to solve that equation. So I'm going to rewrite it down here, just so I have some room. 24 plus 2x equals 10x. I'm going to begin by minusing 2x from both sides, which is going to get me 24 equals 8x. Divide by 8 on both sides will get me 3 equals x. That's going to be my solution. So since x equals 3 and x is the number of movies, this means it would take 3 movies, and that 3 movies accomplished some goal. And the goal that we were trying to accomplish or determine or answer the question was, in order for the 2 companies to have the same cost. So when you're providing your verbal explanation, you want to make sure that you mention that the number was 3 and that it was 3 movies, and that the thing that happens at 3 movies is the 2 companies have the same cost.